We are here in downtown Port Orchard with the first ever gaffer, head coach of the new Port Orchard Football Club, Mr. Patrick Leonard. So Patrick, it's a usual Port Orchard Northwest rainy January, but
it's pretty fitting.
Something cool happening today. Tell me about what it's like to help kick off this new club.
Yeah, it's really exciting. So, I mean, to bring a good level of men's competitive soccer to the area is something that I'm excited about. I feel like with the Pumas that we had so long ago, I was one of the kids in the crowd. And the idea that now we can bring something back and try to build something specific for the kitsap community and kitsap players, I think it's just a win-win for everybody in the soccer community.
Yeah, it was good. After last week where we started a little slow, the boys came out hot, possessing right out of the gate. Thought that we were going to have to let them know that we were here, but they respected us based off our past results, so we were able to move the ball. And they kind of set up in a low block. So with that low block, moved the ball around pretty well, found people on the weak side, and put a couple goals in the back of the net. And
it's nothing very different than just the way that I usually play. A lot of communication. I'm usually barking at my teammates, directions. I mean, it really felt supernatural for me. And I have a close relationship with Pat and Mark, the head and assistant coach. So, yeah, we were in communication, relaying messages. I think it's a really good system because oftentimes as a coach it's hard to get information out to the players, but if you have a kind of a middleman, which I guess is what I would call myself, it can be a lot easier.
Port Orchard FC and the Pumas are two different entities, but as I look around the room and as I see people walking in and saying hi to each other, and I recognize Hellcats, and then I recognize people that played in the Kitsap Pumas youth teams and all of that, and it all kind of comes full circle as we're here. So it's cool to be a part of this, and then it's something that's hitting close to home for me because then I see players that I've coached at the high school level or coached against at the high school level or played with a couple cases in here, and being able to bring that all together into this one pot of players that I feel like is going to really represent what we want Kitsap soccer to look like and the area's soccer team to look like. And I think it's a good representation of the community and the soccer community specifically here.